Hello guys, gumagawa kami ng turon na may cheese, pambaon ng mga bata at pangkain na rin syempre. Ayan, lagyan natin dyan. So ito, lumpia wrapper. Hindi naman one hand. Sa tubig. Pagkatan tayo. And ito natin ipafry na. Manipis to. Pagdagan ko. Yung mga manipis ka nung.
The cheese? Oh.
Anong kaya pa?
Gaano ko baka mga pinas? Gaano ka na ko?
Bigla ko lang naalala. May video ko pala para may ano. May i-upload akong video. More sugar, brown sugar. Meron pa tayo dyan. Yeah? I don't remember. I'll check later. Why?
Why? Yeah.
Ikaw kukututin mo na naman yung ano ni Kuya mo, no? Why? You have earwax? Ew.
I saw that.
Did you wash?
Not yet, but I'll do it.
Hey, no!
Cheese and sugar. It's really good.
Cheese with sugar. That's not good.
It's so good.
No. This will be your snacks tomorrow.
Okay.
Turon.
I order ko.
Ano na yun? Turon. Yes. It's a Filipino delicacy.
What's the difference of don't know and don't?
Oh. What? Can you tell me?
Don't know has a no after don't.
Ang kulit talaga nitong ano. Yan ang pinunta mo dito.
No, I was
Did you
like,
finish your assignment?
oh no, I
Oh
saw
no.
two.
Hmm.
I did one.
Hmm?
I just came up with that.
Hey, you need
Just
to
now.
read your math and science and English every now and then.
Why?
Because
For the first quarter.
you want to make sure that you do good in your fourth quarter exam.
Maybe I will. Hopefully.
Hey, no! Ito! Baby, no! Ikaw ah.
It's good.
Puno na to. And there's more. Oh. How many you want tomorrow?
Can I have 5?
5? Okay. And then,
Chocolate.
see, I told you, kulang na tong cheese ko. Ah, sakto. Ilang saging yung ginawa natin?
Wala.
8 na saging. Ang dami yan.
Can I have this one?
No!
Ah!
Who told you?
Now, I'm
Okay, then I will make my own.
Okay. So, guys, ito, 8 saging. Pero ang dami namin nagawa kasi in-slice namin siya ng 4.
Put it over here.
So, takpan na natin. Tapos bukas ng umaga. Ma-fry ko yan para baon nila for snacks.
My own like
Babaon din si
stick
Daddy
with
bukas.
sugar.
Ilan ang babaunin mo bukas?
Sugar stick, I don't know.
6? 6 din sa'yo? Naturon?
Pero sa kanila.
Okay. And then, Yakult din. Magkakamalang ka
Kapalit na lang kami lahat ng
sasabihin na naman na nagkapalit ka ng baon na anak mo.
minsan na lang magbaon.
Na ano pa?
Kamali pa.
Biryani. Yan pala biryani. Ay, ang hinalo dyan. Ah, nasa loob pa. No, ano? It's spicy. Mas maanghang yan?
No, Bobby. Remember you
I'm
still
not
have
allowed to
your
eat
skin issues?
spicy. Ay, no, anak ko. Huwag ka munang kumain pala. I know you love spicy food. I know
If
you
you
love
don't have your
Korean
skin
food.
issues, I would have let you.
But
You know.
you're not allowed. Gusto mo magkaroon na naman ng kati-kati. Oh. And don't eat. Okay? And she wants to eat biryani, guys. She's not allowed this time. Okay? Biryani, oh. Biryani. Ito ang dinner ni Daddy, biryani. Chicken biryani.
She's like, no, da.
Kasi ayaw niya yung ulam namin na sinabawan na isda kanina. Kaya nag-order siya ng pagkain niya.